Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on Etihad Airways. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad Airways account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Etihad Airways? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type etihad.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Etihad Airways. Once you get into the website, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Etihad. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to connect to Wi-Fi on Etihad Airways. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left right corner of your screen. You have book, manage, experience, destinations, help, and Etihad guests. Head over to experience. So move your cursor to experience and head over. You're going to see these three categories, which include onboard, before you fly, and sustainability. Now head over to the onboard category and you have our cabin, our fleet, meals on board, and you are going to see onboard Wi-Fi. So select onboard Wi-Fi, and I'm going to show you what next to do. So you have Wi-Fi on board, free chat, and unlimited data. So, okay, so first things first, keep in touch with family and friends while you fly, work from your seat or surf on social media. Now, all Etihad guest members receive access to a free chat package for the duration of the flight. So it means you have to join this Etihad guest for you to have access to this. And if you're traveling on first or an Etihad guest platinum member, then you receive complimentary Wi-Fi access on board. Etihad guest gold members will receive a 25% discount on retail packages. So flights under 7 hours, this is the price for chat. That's text only package. And for surf, this is the price, 2.99. And then flights over 7 hours, you have this flight under and this flight over, you have this as well. So you have to join Etihad guests for you to have access to this. So now, once you do that, now how can you now purchase your onboard? Okay, purchase onboard Wi-Fi, or how do you need to purchase your Wi-Fi before your flight, or can you pay on board? Now, remember, first off, you can click on join Etihad guest for you to create an account in Etihad guest. Then I'm just going to show you how you can use the Wi-Fi. Now, you can only purchase Wi-Fi packages once you're on your flight. You cannot do that online. All right, so you can pay for Wi-Fi packages using credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, Alipay, and Etihad guest miles. So how can you purchase now? You can purchase a Wi-Fi package once on board the aircraft, and once the seatbelt signs have been switched off. So enable Wi-Fi and connect to Etihad Wi-Fi network and Wi-Fi network rather, and where? Okay, so let's go for that again. So once you enable Wi-Fi and connect to Etihad Wi-Fi network, you'll be redirected or directed to the homepage of Etihad Wi-Fi portal. Then from there, you can go ahead and proceed to pay, but you cannot do that online. You can do that only when you are on board. So that's pretty much the process. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.